Good morning, this is Deb at Dutch Ridge Primitives, and I have a new journal that I want to share with you. It is a cooking journal. So I made this bag for it to stay in, and I've decorated with, it's Artie Mays' cooking DigiKit, and I just took a piece of the kit with some cheesecloth. This is a piece of the kit. I did a seam binding bow, and I just kind of decorated the box. I put this on with a piece of Velcro so that you can take it off, because it does have recipes, some neat old recipes. And this is just a piece from the kit. So I made it out of an old envelope. I got a whole box of these old envelopes at a sale. So I just made the envelope into a bag. And I made you a couple of little books so that you can write your favorite recipes in them. And then there's another one that's pieces of the kit, and then I just turned it into little books. And here's one more. You can write. Here's another one, so you can stick them inside your journal with your favorite recipes in it. So there's another one. So here is the book, the journal. I've tied it with a piece of, well, they call it cooking string. It's when I ordered it from Amazon, but it's a white kind of a string. So I tied it with that. And then inside, I've just decorated it with pieces of the kit. There'll be lots of journaling spaces in here for you also. Here is just a piece of the kit. I love this paper. So I sewed it together so that it would be kind of stiffer, because this is a soft cover book. And then I just glued this on, and then here's you another little book. I put some tabs on the end so you can see the tabs. And places to journal. Here's another little piece of ephemera that you can open up and write on. And I put a little piece of lace on the top, and then here's just pieces from the kit, the cooking advertisements. So there's that. Here is some more, and then I made a little booklet here for you, so that way you can write all your recipes. This was kind of neat, a piece of a page out of the book, so I just folded it. You can write on the inside. It has how to make brown gravy, donuts. So I thought that was kind of neat, so I left that so you can write on the back of it, and you'll still have you some recipes. Here is another little booklet. I put some lace across the top of it. And then this is another just page out of the booklet that I thought was just so neat. So I thought, well, you can write on it, and then you'll have pretty decoration on the outside if you write on the back. Here's writing spaces. I've got piles of old notebook paper, so IT dyed notebook paper. And there's that same page that has donuts, biscuits, how to make them. This, I just tied it together, and then I made your writing spaces there. So there's that. This was fun to make. This was really neat. This was a good DigiKit. So it's Artie Mays. There's some more recipes for you. Oh, it's a menu, the spring menus of 1898. Here is another little pocket. And this I turned into a book. So then you can write in there. And there's a page out of the kit again. It had a pretty house on it, so I just folded it so you'd have decoration on the outside, and you can have your recipes on the inside. So I thought that was really kind of pretty. Here's just a tag out of the kit. So I made you a long booklet for that. Put some lace on the top of it, and it turned out really cute. I can get her back in there. There we go. some autumn menus from 1898. And here's another. I just tied it together with some string, and that way you can write on that. This is a page out of the kit, and so I just did that so that way you can write there. This is the middle, so I wanted to have a pretty page in the middle, so there's the kit. Here's another booklet that you can write on. Cookbook, we need lots of writing for cookbooks, for recipes. Here is a little booklet made from a jar from the kit. You can write on that, and there's another page that you can write there. I'm new to this junk journaling. I've been watching lots of videos, so I'm trying to learn how to make good journals. This I just tied together again, and then you'll have paper to write on the inside. This is another jar out of the kit, so I made you a booklet. Summer menus of 1898. Here is another little booklet that you can write on. I might put lace on the top of that to decorate it up a little bit. And there's another booklet. And there's the little, oh, that's just a card. You can journal on the back of that, and I put lace on that. Oh, I didn't put any, I guess I glued this one down. So, and then there is the back of your kit journal. So, there's room for lots to write your recipes down and have you a little cute little thing for your counter. With the, you can hold your bag in it, hold your book in it. And so that's it, and I'm off to work, so I will talk to you all later. Please like my channel, and this will be in my Etsy store. Thank you.